Hey, skr skr. Kelly.
Hey friends, Kelly here with another video. So I am here to do a product review and I have the item right here. So I was contacted by the company Smile Brilliant and I've collaborated with them before. They are a really great company. Before I had did a review and a giveaway featuring on their at-home teeth whitening kits, which are awesome, and I had a good experience with that. And like I said, I had did a giveaway. So at any rate, they contacted me and I just want to thank them so much. They asked me did I want to review they have a new product, their new electric toothbrush, and I said absolutely. Obviously, one, because I love this company, they have really good products, and two, because I have a thing about dental and just the dental hygiene. I take that very seriously. So I've had a electric toothbrush for many years. I really think they get your teeth whiter. And me, I eat a lot of sweets and I have had cavities like a lot in the past. I do the electric toothbrush, I floss, I do all of that to prevent having cavities. And I recently went to the dentist maybe 2 weeks ago. So I said I'm gonna go to the dentist, get my teeth cleaned. And before I had went to the dentist, I was using the toothbrush, but I wanted to wait until after I had went to the dentist to do this video. So anyway, yeah, and I've been taking a while to get this video up. Okay, so first off, what I like about this product is that they give you a guarantee. So the first thing that I like is that if you are not 100% satisfied with the product, and of course this is the packaging and it says it right on the back, they will give you a full refund. So I like that they stand behind their product. Number two, it comes with a 2-year warranty, which I was very impressed because typically I only see 1-year warranties. But yeah, they give you a full 2-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, you contact them within that 2 years, they'll take care of it for you. Another thing, 2 times whiter teeth in just a single week. Now this is what you gotta do. Follow the instructions. So the toothbrush has a timer for 30 seconds. Do each quadrant for the 30 seconds, and of course brush your teeth twice a day, which you should be doing that anyway, and your teeth will get whiter. I have noticed that my teeth have gotten whiter, and if you don't believe me, you can check out some of my old videos from like a month or 2 ago. I definitely think my teeth have gotten whiter. Now, of course, it comes with a manual. I don't read instructions, but what you do want to go over, like I said, is the 30-second quadrant rule. So wait until it times out, because don't be lazy and do your whole mouth in 30 seconds, because you're not going to have, your teeth you won't have the benefit, okay? And this is another thing. If you're still using a manual toothbrush, I strongly urge you to take the plunge and get an electric toothbrush, because you wash your teeth, you brush your teeth twice a day, and we all know oral hygiene is very important. It is an investment. Pay the money. Like, it is, like I said, before they contacted me, I had an electric toothbrush, and I've been using electric toothbrushes for years now, and people always compliment me on my teeth. And particularly if you've had braces or just a lot of dental work. I have had a lot of dental work, meaning I've had braces, I had my wisdom teeth pulled. I think teeth is very important, and I think that's one of the first things people notice about you. So it comes with 2 brush heads, and of course the charging station. Tells you exactly when you turn it on. I don't know if you can see, but it tells you exactly how much charge you have left, because you don't want to overcharge. Just like your cell phone, you don't want to overcharge your cell phone. You don't want to, I know people do this, but you don't want to leave your cell phone plugged in overnight. Like, once your cell phone is charged up, you unplug it. I would not recommend keep overcharging the toothbrush. I don't know, they didn't tell me to tell you that, but just I'm a little knowledgeable about electronics, and that's something you just don't want to do. So it has 5 settings: clean, massage, gum care, whitening, and sensitive. To be honest with you, I only do the clean and the whitening setting. I don't do massage, gum care, or sensitive. I do have sensitive teeth, but I just don't feel the need to use the sensitive setting. The clean or white setting is fine to me. And this is another thing that I really like. Trust me, I've had other toothbrushes. This is important. So it has the on switch and then a separate button to pick the setting that you want. I had another toothbrush where it was just one button and I had to, like, you know, double tap to switch the settings, and sometimes it would turn on and off and it was just a mess. I didn't realize then until I started using this toothbrush that was annoying. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And I don't have my brush head, it's in the bathroom. I love this product. I give it a 5 out of 5. And like I said, I've used very expensive toothbrushes that actually prefer this one, and I'm not saying that because they sent me this toothbrush. I have no reason to lie to you. I just like the different settings, and I like, it's just more an overall enjoyable experience in brushing my teeth than with past electric toothbrushes that I have. And if you have not used an electric toothbrush, I highly recommend this brand, this company, because for one, they stand behind their product. 2, they have really good customer service. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys, so I will link the discount code in the description bar. So definitely check them out if you are interested in a new electric toothbrush. But also if you're interested in teeth whitening, I also recommend their at-home teeth whitening kits. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.